Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you whenever you are trying to click on this mic. Okay, here this option used to come this problem. Okay, it says to record a voice message, WhatsApp needs to access to your iPhone microphone, tap setting and turn on microphone. So this setting used to come. So how you can fix this problem, right? So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So here first of all you have to move on setting, then from here you can see there's many options inside this setting, but from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling on setting, and friends, here you can see the option of the WhatsApp. Just click on WhatsApp. After that, here in the setting, the allow WhatsApp to access, here you can see the microphone option. So friends, here you have to click on this microphone, and here's the icon. Just activate this icon. Here your WhatsApp will be enabled. Okay, and here is the mic. Just click on mic, and here mic will be activated successfully. Okay, so this is how you can activate your mic. Okay friends, and friends, if you off this mic, it will not be enabled. The mic will not be enabled. Okay, so friends, this is how you can activate or disable and enable your WhatsApp mic. And friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.